Hey there. Want to turbocharge your points balance for that dream vacation? Earning points faster with your Amex card is all about strategic spending and leveraging bonus categories. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to boost earnings. First, know your card's bonus categories. The Blue Cash Preferred earns 6% at US supermarkets, while the Platinum Card earns 5x on flights. Concentrate your everyday spending in these high-earning areas. Next, use shopping portals. Before buying online, go to the Amex Offers and Benefits page or a shopping portal like Rakuten, which can pay out in Amex points. You can often stack portal points with your card's base points for a huge haul. My crucial pro tip? Add an authorized user with a supplementary card that also earns points. Their spending on your account adds to your total pool, helping you hit spending thresholds for bonuses even faster. That's how you transform everyday purchases into a rapid points accumulation engine. What's your primary card for everyday spending, and why? Share your strategy below. For more guides on hacking your rewards, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.